Guess who's Arianna McKenzie, and today I'm going to be unboxing some skincare and body care products. First, we have this package right here. I don't know what's in it. We'll figure out together. No Hercules this time. Okay, so we have this gentle jelly face cleaner. We have a vitamin C clay mask with turmeric. So first we're gonna go off the smell. I'm pretty sure green tea, vitamin C. Okay, my guess is that it's just like not gonna smell like anything because tea doesn't really smell like anything. I don't drink green tea that much, but if I can open the thing. Oh, this is Gleamin. It's a gentle, non-drying cleansing jelly that detoxifies pores, leaving your skin soft and supple. Formulated for all skin types. So I shake it up because it's very liquidy. Like, can you hear this? I don't know. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Hold on. But why does it smell like bubbles? The Dollar Tree bubbles that you get the little one, it kind of smells like that, but like in a good way. It smells so good. More like minty, earthy. This would probably be the scent of my room if I even knew what the scent actually was, but that smells so good. But it seems it's very watery. If you can see that, it just like spreads very easily. Okay, so next we're gonna do this vitamin C clay mask. I don't have high hopes for the smell of it. Okay, this is a deep cleansing, skin brightening, anti-acne. Looks like all the 3 main things that people really want for their skin. So I hope this works good. And by the way, I'm going to be testing out all of these things in part 2, and I'm also going to link everything down in the description box below so you can go check that out for yourself. Oh, it comes with a brush. It's so cute. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna fall out. Yeah, you know this is natural because usually it's like super bright orange, but turmeric actually doesn't even make stuff that bright orange. It's kind of more like yellow, and like, yeah, you can tell that this is natural. Ew, got on my hand. Oh, this is gonna be good. Do y'all see that? Drop test. Yeah, you don't think things through. What if it actually dropped? That's what it smells like. It smells like jergen. You know, I just put it somewhere up here. But that's what it smells like, and it smells like some real good lotion. But okay, the scent is not that bad. This is gonna be a winner for sure. Does it say how often you can use it? Leave the mask stay on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash face with warm water. Use it 1 to 3 times a week for better results. Can you use a mask that often? I mean, it says it, but I trust him. You know, we'll see. This is heavy. Raw sugar, clean for all. I think these are soaps. I love body wash. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wait. Do y'all see that? It's like, first of all, it's soap already coming out, but we're gonna open it anyways because, you know, packaging can't be all pretty all the time. So it has to go through some hard throwing around. I can't open it because there's too much soap on it. Oh, now it's gonna rip in half. This is raw coconut mango. Let's smell it now. That smells good. It's not like, oh my gosh, but like, it smells good. Yeah, I like it. I smell the coconut, but I don't smell the mango. I had this before actually, and it's actually like so good. Like, it's a great body wash. It does smell really good though. Like, it does smell good, but it doesn't smell like coconut and mango. That's just what I think though. Maybe some people can smell it. Maybe I don't know what mango smell like because I'm trying to think, and really it's like the artificial things that I think of, like what it comes to my mind. This is all natural too, by the way. This is like the consistency. I don't want it to fall on my carpet, so I'm not going to hold it too much. I guess my room will be smelling good for a little bit. That was a bad idea anyways. We got, hold on. We got the body butter. You know, it looks so like boho. It looks like, look at that. That is beautiful. This is the same company. Everything in this box right here is the same company as Raw Sugar. Oh, this is the same scent, raw coconut and mango. So let's see if this smells more like it. Let's see. It smells like lotion. Does it smell like raw coconut and mango? I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. First of all, that smells in very good. Girl, I'm gonna have to get another one of these because what in the whole world? That feels so good. I'm be using this like 25/8. They was not lying about the moisturizer and rejuvenating because they did their thing with this one. Let's see if these two smell alike actually. No, not at all. Ah, we got the lip balm. Raw coconut and mango. Okay. Ultra moisturizing with vitamin E. But it's pretty. So I'm gonna save this for my next video. I really want to try it right now, but I can't. It looks like it will last for a long time too because this is like thicker than the usual lip balm thing. I know that if the body butter was moisturizing like it said it was, this would be too. And then we're gonna be reviewing this paper. Good. We got a sugar scrub, raw coconut and mango. So surprised. Oh my gosh, y'all, their packaging is like so adorable and so cute. It's like boho but like with a pop of color. Me personally, I love the wooden tops as a design. This looks so cool and it looks like it gives the natural campaign, I guess. Y'all, yeah, I want this because sometimes like it doesn't have enough sugar, like enough grit in it to exfoliate. You can tell this actually has enough in it. Let's see how thick it is. Yep, see, this is just a little thing and it's not mostly oil and like barely any salt or barely any sugar. But now let's smell it. Y'all, this smells so good. I'm telling y'all, this smells like delicious. Like, can I eat it? Don't eat it. That's disgusting. Why did I do that? Bro, I thought that was gonna taste good. It does not. I know it's not gonna be like anything bad happening to me because it's all natural. Proves you can eat it, but proves that it is disgusting. That's all it for raw sugar. This is the last thing for today. I think it's a moisturizer actually. It might be a moisturizer for your face. Let me go get that. I'm back. Y'all, this packaging is so cute. Do y'all see that? It's a gel moisturizer. I was right because I was like, you know, something's missing. This is Elf Skin Super Hydrating. Oh no, Super Hydrate. Let me get that right. Gel moisturizer with plant-based squalane. This is for oily and combination skin types. This has squalane, niacinamide, centella asiatica, snow mushroom, and vitamin E. All I know is vitamin E, but I can trust that all the other stuff is good anyways. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and elf clean. I don't know what that means, but okay, so it gives thirsty skin to what it craves with this lightweight squalane-infused gel that quickly absorbs for non-greasy hydration. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients, niacinamide and vitamin E. The result, hydrating, bouncy, plump-looking skin. I can't get over this packaging. Like, that is so cute. I can't look at it. My eyes. Do you see this? Y'all, why am I getting happy over packaging? Let's try the actual product. I don't think I've ever seen a moisturizer like this before. Oh, I gotta get close for this. It's like bouncy. Okay, but now it's time for the smell. It smells like nothing. It really just smells like nothing. Let me put this back. You know, this is the only one that I should put back in this packaging. It deserves the glory. But that's all it for today's video. I have fun unboxing all of these amazing skincare and body care products. And in my next video, I'll be using the products. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down this emoji if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you for all of those who made it. And thank you for even just watching it because I really appreciate it and it means a lot to me. But I had fun. See you next time. Arianna McKenzie out.